Guys, for today's video, nandito kami ni Renz. Hi Renz! Nandito kami ngayon sa Emirates Palace. So, kala ko babawalan ako. So, nandito kami sa Emirates Palace ngayon para i-try yung coffee nila na may gold, 24 karat gold. So, we're gonna try it. Tingnan natin kung masarap po siya. No? Makers ka? Ano kaya lasa ng gold?
Matamis.
Nakatikim ka na?
Hindi pa.
I never tried it, but this is gonna be my first time. So let's go. Please look at the view sa taas. So grabe, ang ganda-ganda. Oh wow, para ka talaga nasa palasyo. And here you go. That's so cool. We're here now and si Kuya is nandito para mag-serve sa amin ng coffee na may gold. Brother, I just have a question because actually I'm curious about the gold, the coffee with the gold. How does it taste like before we order?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah.
And is it...
That's the only answer.
Is it sweet, salty, or what?
No. This coffee brings from Ethiopia. So it's one of the best coffees in the world.
Wow, for real?
It's decorated with chocolate and gold. It's a great experience.
And how much is it?
Around 75.
75 dirhams. Oh my god. So guys, let's try it. So I hope you're gonna serve it. So okay, we're going to order too. And dito tayo uupo guys. So guys, let's go. Let's try their coffee with a gold. We're going to order too. Do you wanna walk? Okay. We're just gonna walk and we're gonna go back. Sorry. Okay, thank you bro. Bye. Guys, naka-order na kami. So, nag-iba kami ng Filipino yung nakausap namin kasi pagbalik namin doon, paglibot namin dito sa loob, and then pagbalik namin, Filipino yung available. Sayang hindi available si Kuya. And we're sitting here. So, we're expecting a lot dito sa coffee na ito kasi it's gonna be a first time. They made gold and it's quite expensive. Para sa isang coffee, it's nasa 1,000 plus sa atin. So, let's go.
Vodka po ha? Still water pa.
Oh, there's a vodka?
No, it's still water.
Distilled water.
Still water.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So guys, may sinaserve sila dito for free, complimentary, bago habang naghihintay ka ng order. So let's try. Parang ano siya? Ano yung buko? Basta yung sa Goldilocks na kulay yellow na parang buko na macaroons. And macaroons talaga siya. At meron din silang dates. Ito, usong-uso to. Sa buong Middle East yung dates. Kahit saan makakita ka. Guys, nilapitan kami ni ate. Sabi ni ate medyo matagal daw yung paggawa ng coffee kasi handmade daw. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginagawa nila doon. And then, look at this! Tada! Yung kanilang kutsara is, tinidor pala is makalumang gold. And look at the place. Yan, kala ko sa labas. Yan yung nakikita ko dati. Pero dito pala siya. And I think eto na si ate. Galing mo na yung laptop mo. Ay! Wow! So, is it a real gold po?
This is real gold, 23 karat gold.
23 karat?
Yes, please.
Is that good for health?
Yes, it's good for health. It's good for joints.
For real?
Yes, it's
so,
real.
I have to go to Gold Souk and buy a lot of 23 karat and eat.
But not in
Just
the gold
kidding.
shop.
Okay. Look at this, guys. But what's the difference between the gold outside and the gold here?
This is like they make eatable gold.
Edible
Outside gold is you cannot eat.
Yeah, okay. So guys, here you go. Wow.
So,
Guys, ito yung 23 karat gold. Totoong gold daw siya. And ito yung cake. Oh my God, pagkamahal-mahal pag may gold. Ayan, wow. So let's try it. Sakto. Okay. Sakto na. Ayan. And here you go guys, na-try ko na yung kanilang gold coffee. So ito yung nagpapamahal. So nasa 75 dirham siya. Parang nasa 1,000 pesos sa Pilipinas. And this cake, palace cake, worth 1,500 pesos sa Pilipinas. So look at this. Sobrang liit, parang daliri lang natin. And tikman natin. Nakaka-curious. Matunaw kaya to sa aking Actually, hindi ko naman malasahan yung gold. And ito naman, tikman natin ito isa. Tara. Gotta try it. Ah. Normal lang. Sakto lang. Masarap. Nakakita nyo ba yung dust pag umiinom ko ng coffee na may gold? Talaga nag-ano siya. Lumilipad-lipad, oh. Ayan, oh. Edible gold daw to. So guys, here you go. Tatry natin tong gold coffee na napakamahal-mahal. So ito yung parang 75 dirham. So parang nasa 1,000 pesos siya. So ito lang siya. So gold lang talaga nagpakamahal. Actually walang lasa yung gold. Parang normal lang. Talagang gold lang siguro siya. And then try natin tong pinaka gold cake nila. Oh my god. So yung gold cake nila parang nasa 1,500 pesos sa liit. Sarap. The last finish. And pagkatapos kong mag-coffee sa makatansyan ko, kailangan ko mag-CR. Pinagtatawa na niya, kailangan ko mag-CR. No? Tataiyak. Guys, ayun. Kita may gold pa ako dito sa ano ko. Oh. So, ayun na nga. Pag-inom ng coffee sa makatansyan ko, kailangan ko pumunta CR. Pero ako lang, no? Hindi ka naman rinse. So, on lang yun. Ah, ito. Social. Pakita ko yung toilet nila. Ito naman yung toilet nila. Guys, ito yung toilet nila dito sa loob. Medyo social. So guys, after uminom ng coffee, nandito tayo ngayon sa toilet. Effective. Very good. Guys, ito success rin. Success. Yay! Yay! Success! Gold. Ang ganda dito guys. Ayan, o diba? Yung bidet golden. Ang saya. Oh, gold. Lahat gold sa siya. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa labas ng Emirates Palace kung saan ayun yung famous na mga building dito sa Abu Dhabi. Ayan, nakikita din yan sa ibang mga movies. And here you go. Here's the Emirates Palace. Woo! Ang init sa labas. Ayan, sabi nung kausap namin kanina, dun daw sa 8th floor, dun daw minsan nakatira yung yung pinakahari pag dito may bisita dito. So let's go, mag-picture tayo dito. Pero, suburan na. Ano ito na sinasusan? Hindi, ito na yata. Dapat naka-zoom. Tapos zoom. Parang laki. Nalakot ka. Ano siya na? Tikman mo. Okay, good. Saan kami yan? Wow, nice. Oh my god, very nice product. Yeah, oh. Sobre, oh. Nice. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you.